In this audio video tutorial, I'm going to explain some of the questions, and now I have started the videos like this, that where I'm taking the question, and based on that question I'm giving you some answers for that questions. So here the question will be, how can we calculate the amount, that is percentage of steel reinforcement in 1 cubic meter of concrete. So it may be for different building elements, it may be for your foundation, your column, your beam, your slab. So here percentage of reinforcement based on the amount of concrete. That is the this is the design guide, we can say. This is the design guide. So first, with the for slab we can use directly 0.5 to 1.5%, for beam 1.5 to 2%, for column 2 to 3%, for RCC roads it is 0.6%. So example is, for example, let us take RCC column with reinforcement required of 2.5% of concrete volume, then weight of the steel required will be 2.5 into 7850 is the density of steel divided by 100 into 1 is equal to 196.25 kg. That much steel required for this column. So follow the IS 456. This answer I am giving based on the my study and based on the experience. So of different researchers, experience of different researchers. Also I have counted my expense also here. It depends upon the second answer will be, it depends upon the type of element into which your concrete would be used, like beam or column slab. But as far as IS 456, minimum reinforcement of 0.12%, the area of element should be provided. That should be, you should provide. I assume next answer is, I assume that you want to interpret the amount of reinforcement you have in particular reinforced concrete section as a percentage of the concrete section. This is normal done in terms of area, not volume of the reinforced concrete. This is also the answer from one of the researcher where I have referred this research paper. Simply work out the cross sectional area of steel bars passing through the designed section and divide it by the cross sectional area of the concrete through which it passes and multiply by the result by 100, and the result is given the percentage. So now RCC building elements, as far as experience, weight in kg per cubic meter. For bases 90 kg to 130 kg per cubic meter, beams 150 to 300, beam loaded lightly 100 to 150, beams capping 130 to 140, columns 200 to 450, column loaded lightly 110 to 200, plinth beam 230 to 300 mm, then footing 70 to 100 kg per cubic meter. This is the weight for this element. Pile cap 110 to 150 kg per cubic meter. Per cubic meter, this much kg. So based on the concrete volume of that element, you calculate the steel quantity. So one way slab this much, two way slab 67 to 135 kg per cubic meter, flat slab 95 to 135, raft footing 110 to 120, retaining wall 110 to 1850 kg per cubic meter, then tie beam, shear wall and normal. Then so thank you for watching the video, and do watch the channel for such exciting videos or such interesting knowledgeable video where you will get the some knowledge. Thank you.